Brothers, sisters, and young friends, you all are welcome to English Learning Mastery. In today's video, we will explore why is listening so important for learning a language, especially English language. We know that English is not our native language, it is a foreign language for us. So, we must pay due attention to all four skills, and first and foremost skill is listening skills. Let's understand listening skill. Listening is the first and foremost component and skills in learning a language. सुनना सबसे ज़रूरी है. भगवान ने हमें 2 कान और 1 मुंह दिया है. किस लिए? ताकि हम ज़्यादा सुने और कम बोलें. इसीलिए कहा जाता है कि हमें दुगना सुनना चाहिए और कम बोलना चाहिए. Well, there is a big difference between listening and hearing. सुनना, hearing. मुझे कुछ म्यूज़िक सुनाई दे रहा है. I can hear some music. मैं म्यूज़िक सुन रहा हूँ. I am listening to some music. एक बहुत बड़ा अंतर है और इसी अंतर को हमें पहचानना है और अपने लिसनिंग स्किल को इम्प्रूव करना है. Before we move further, here is a simple request. Please watch this complete video, do like and share the video and press the bell icon so that in future you can receive the notifications for forthcoming videos. Listening is very important, but we hear through only our ears. जब हम ऐसा करते हैं तो हम listening को पूरी तरह से attention नहीं दे पाते हैं. तो सुनना किस तरह से है? How to do listening? How to improve our listening skill? Well, हमें केवल सुनना नहीं है. We don't need only to listen. We must listen through whole body. How? First, use all sense organs. जब हम केवल कानों से ही नहीं सुनते बल्कि आँखों से उसे देखते हैं, दिमाग से पूरा उसको सुनते हैं, अपने हाथ शांत रखते हैं, पैरों को नहीं हिलाते हैं, दिल से बातों को समझते हैं, तो हम होल बॉडी लिसनिंग कर रहे होते हैं. और जब होल बॉडी लिसनिंग होती है तो हमारे लिसनिंग स्किल का एक लेवल ऊपर हो जाता है. इसके 2 फ़ायदे हैं. पहला कि हमारे जो स्पीकर है उससे हमारी रैपो अच्छी हो जाती है, रिश्ते अच्छे बनते हैं, क्योंकि उसको लगता है कि हम उसे महत्व दे रहे हैं, उसकी बातों को ध्यान से सुन रहे हैं. दूसरा और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण कि हम बातों को अच्छे से समझते हैं. We not only listen but we understand thoughts of the speaker. After understanding the basic concept of hearing and listening through whole body instead of only listening by ears, let's move on further. कैसे सुनना है? What are the different ways through which we can improve our listening skills? Number 1, make a friend who can speak. He or she may be your family member or a teacher or a friend. Just make sure that person speaks only English to you. In that way, you will hear directly some English. So, consciously you are paying attention to your listening skills. Second thing, listen different radio channels or FM instead of listening songs or music apps like Gaana or Savan or some other musical app. When you listen FM, different RJs, different radio jockeys, they not only speak Hindi, sometimes they speak English also. When they speak English, you are listening, you are exploring different ways to listen different sounds of English language. जब आपको वर्ड मीनिंग सुनने को मिलते हैं, डिफरेंट सेंटेंसेस सुनने को मिलते हैं और दूसरी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती है, तो ना केवल आप इंग्लिश सुन रहे होते हैं बल्कि इंग्लिश को समझ भी रहे होते हैं. तो इस तरह से हमें एफएम को सुनना चाहिए म्यूज़िक ऐप को सुनने की बजाय. नेक्स्ट थिंग, व्हेन यू वॉच ए वीडियो ऑन यूट्यूब, ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट दैट पर्टिकुलर वीडियो इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, स्पेशली ऑन finding out a process like cooking, gardening or doing some exercise. When you find different videos in English language, then you start listening instructions in English. You start listening some English sentences. When you watch TV, try to watch in English some fables or some stories, because the language used in such TV shows is child-centered. In that way, the basic things come to you and you will explore different words. The next thing which you can do, you can watch different news channels. You are well aware about the happenings around the world, especially in your local areas. When you listen the news in Indian accent on Indian news channel, then you understand well. So listen different news channels in English, especially Indian accent based. Next, when you watch different movies in English, try to find different movies in English subtitles. In that way, not only you will understand the words pronunciation, as well as you will understand the correct accent of that particular area. So these are the basic things which you can implement while improving your listening skills. In the end of the video, I want to thank you that you reach up to here and watch the video completely. I hope this will help you a lot in improving your listening skills. We will meet in next video. Till then, goodbye. All the best.